Hello, my name is Voodoo, aka Tay, and in today's makeup tutorial I'm going to be recreating Dr. Minerva, a character from the new movie Captain Marvel. Alrighty, so we're jumping straight into the video. So I've got two of my Face and Body Professional Paint by Mont, one in the shade dark blue, the other in the shade light blue. Clearly they've been used a lot. I did recently use these body paints in my Mystique look, so if you want to have a geeze, check it out. Now I'm going to be applying this Face and Body Professional Paint all over my face, my ears and my neck. Once you're looking beautiful, see what I did there? Okay, back to the video. So I'm going to grab the Magic palette by Juvias and I'll be using this dark blue color. A big fluffy brush, and I'm going to be contouring the shiz out of my face to give it a bit more structure. Starting with my cheekbones, I'm applying the dark blue eyeshadow in this slight S motion, just because it really makes my cheekbones pop and I need that. I want to make them as defined as possible. After that, I'm going to go ahead and start by shading in my temples, again to give it a bit more depth and structure and definition, yada yada yada. And then I'm going to contour the bridge of my nose to actually make it stand out more and to make it look like I have a nose. And I'm also going to shade in my necklines. Next, I'm going to grab my Morphe 35B palette and I'm going to take this light blue color, using a big fluffy brush of course, and I'm going to go over the entire blue section that I currently have on my body, just to smoothen out the contour lines as well as the texture of the paint. Next, I'm taking a big fluffy eyeshadow brush and going back to the dark blue color in the Juvias Magic palette, and I'm going to apply that in the crease of my eyelid. Then I'm going back to the light blue colour in the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm grabbing a small fluffy eyeshadow brush and applying that colour to the rest of my lid, just to make it blend in with the rest of my so-called blue skin tone. Next, I'm taking the shimmery blue colour in the 35B palette and using my fingertips to apply this to my lid, just to give it a bit more bedazzle, you know what I'm saying? Now, I am an idiot. At this point in time, I realized that I actually forgot to do the famous V that Minerva has on her forehead. I was meant to do that in latex before I painted myself in blue, but I forgot. So I decided to cover up the mistake by doing that in eyeshadow instead. If you want to be lazy, go ahead and do the same thing, or if you actually want to put an effort to this look, I recommend latex. Anyway, the next thing I'm going to do is outline my lower waterline with some black eyeliner, and I'm also going to layer on my lower lashes with some Tarte mascara. I already have eyelash extensions on, so I don't have to worry about my upper lid too much. It's the lower lid I got to worry about. Next, I'm grabbing my Tarte eyeshadow palette, the Rainforest of the Sea, Volume 3, and I'm grabbing this white shimmery color, again applying this to my lid with my fingertips to give it a bit more bedazzle. Once I've finished doing that, I'm going to make it look like I actually have some eyebrows by grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Promade in the shade dark brown and my eyebrow brush to achieve this. Now, I'm not going too hardcore with the shape of my eyebrows. I'm pretty much just following the natural shape of them. I'm just giving it a bit more depth so people actually know they're there. Next, we're moving on to the lips. Now I'm taking my dark blue colour and my Mont Face and Body Professional Paint as well as the black colour, mixing the two together and outlining my lips like I would if I was using lipstick. Now I'm using some reference pictures I found on Google to start my chest design. Using a cheap black eyeliner, I'm going to start outlining the design that I wish to achieve. This isn't exactly what it looks like in the photo. I kind of made it my own, so no judgy wudgy. Next, I'm going in with this gold metallic color, again from the same Marte Face and Body Professional Paint, and applying that to the areas like so. I'm also going in with this dark emerald color from Marte and applying that in the spaces in between my chest. After that's nice and dry, I'm going to cover my shoulders in with black paint and outline my chest design. To give this armor a bit more character, I've decided to use a big fluffy brush and some black eyeshadow and start shading in random areas of the chest piece. Now, judging at the reference photos I'm looking at, Minerva actually has 3 random black lines on her left ear. I'm going to go ahead and try that, but I failed. I can't actually see my ear straight on, so my lines are all over the place, but I definitely tried my best. Next, I'm going to try and hide the color of my real skin tone that's showing along the frame of my head by hopefully concealing it with some black eyeshadow and a fluffy brush. After I relatively concealed as much as I could, I'm going to finish the look off with some black eye contacts I purchased from Colourvue, style my hair, and pop on a black scarf around my neck. Now, if you like what you see and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. If you feel like being nosy, check out the content I have on my Instagram at LadyVooDoo. I post photos and mini tutorials there, so if you get bored, come say hi. Other than that, thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video and listening to my annoying voice. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!